Now we're going to look in more detail at complex sentences, and to do this we're going to use an example sentence from the text. So you can see this sentence on the screen behind me, and the sentence reads, "Although people no longer need guns for this purpose, over 200 million guns are currently in circulation." Now this sentence can be split into two clauses. Clause 1, although people no longer need guns for this purpose, and clause 2, over 200 million guns are currently in circulation. Try to answer this question. Which of these clauses could stand alone as a complete idea? The answer is number 2. Number 2 is a clause because it contains a subject and a verb, but it can also stand alone independently as it expresses a complete idea by itself. And this is why we call this type of clause an independent clause. Now, a complex sentence will be made up of a dependent and an independent clause. So if we have a look at this sentence again, we can see that the sentence begins with the dependent clause, although people no longer need guns for this purpose. This idea needs the independent clause in order for it to make sense. In a complex sentence, the ideas expressed in the independent clause are more important than those ideas expressed in the dependent clause. So we can view complex sentences in terms of weighing scales, with the independent clause having more importance, more weight in terms of the sentence structure than the dependent clause. Thank you, that is the end of this week's video workshop. In the next part, you will complete a series of activities to practice forming complex sentences. I'll see you again on this screen in week 7.